Hey y'all, how's it going? This is the Battery Tender 4.5 amp battery charger and maintainer. I purchased this because I live in quite a cold climate where temperatures can reach below zero for lows, and I wanted to ensure that my vehicle battery would maintain its full state of charge. It's very simple to use. Simply plug the battery tender into your standard wall outlet here, and the included battery terminal connections onto your battery. You have positive and negative terminals here. You also have a few options here on the battery tender itself. You can choose your voltage, 12 volt or 6 volt, using this upper select button. And you also choose your battery type, your flooded AGM battery or lithium battery with the lower select button. Once charging begins, the charging light will illuminate here. And when your vehicle's battery has reached a full state of charge, it will light up here with the fully charged light. This has worked fantastic. I have two of these, one for each vehicle. And again, the goal is to ensure that your battery has a full state of charge when it's super cold, in my case, so you have a vehicle that will start if you don't use it for a few days when it's really cold. A lot of other people use this for long-term vehicle storage. You can use this if you're not going to start your car for months at a time, if you have a sports car perhaps in the winter and you have this, you leave this hooked up to your battery and it will maintain its full state of charge. Anyway, for my case, cold weather, it's been fantastic, and I would certainly don't want to be without one again, especially when it's really cold.